arbitrationagreements.org. Welcome to arbitrationagreements.org, your trusted platform for construction arbitration programs and services. Our mission is to provide a fast and cost-effective solution for all construction disputes that come in at less than $75,000. Before we continue, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help your customers stay happy and keep costs low when problems occur at your company. Over 5 million construction projects occur in the United States each year. With such high numbers, disputes are unfortunately common. In fact, in 2022, over 60% of construction projects face disputes. And while disputes can be stressful and time-consuming, our association aims to simplify the resolution process. We take over the complexities so you can focus on what is important, your work. Did you know that arbitration can typically resolve disputes up to 50% faster than litigation? Imagine the time you could save, not to mention the savings in legal fees. Our services offer a streamlined process to handle disputes professionally and effectively. We ensure a fair process that respects both parties involved. So how does the process work? Well, once you sign up with us and your case is accepted, you can be assigned an arbitrator who is an expert in construction law. He or she will evaluate the case from all perspectives, taking into account all the facts and figures. Then, after a thorough examination of the case, the arbitrator will make a binding decision. This decision is enforceable in a court of law, providing a final solution to the dispute. We understand the value of your time and money, and our experts strive to provide you with an efficient, reliable, and fair arbitration service. Remember, in the face of conflict, you have options, and we are here to help. Navigate your dispute today at arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process and handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. In fact, big companies use arbitration because it helps them control costs. You're paying one service per case instead of having uncontrolled expenses that any normal lawsuit would cost. That's the real reason people use arbitration. Also, what do you think about arbitration? Is there an advantage that draws you to it? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.